I see a distance that has developed between the political class and our citizens. The idea for me was to go right on the road and go close physically to our people. I believe in tapasya. That is my nature. That is my family's nature, has always been. And so I wanted an element in this communication with people. I wanted an element of suffering for myself, so that while I'm talking to my people, I can share in their suffering. I find that to be a very powerful experience. Frankly, it hasn't even begun yet. 31 days is nothing. The thing I'm realizing, which I always believe, but is becoming crystal clear to me, there is tremendous wisdom in our people that is wasted by the type of politics and by the type of system that we are running. There is also tremendous suffering in our people because of the political system, political machine that is being run in India. They are unable to do what they need to do to actually become